County in Middle Tennessee until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lynchburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Timms Ford Lake around 9:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Estill Springs around 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Marble Hill, Lois, Arnold Air Force Base, Oak Grove, and Woods Reservoir. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
My first tornado warning!